Sanibona bafethu. So namhlanje ukhuluma uTito Maswanganyi. Tito Maswanganyi umdlali Orlando Pirates samasonke. Patrick Tito Maswanganyi. So kuneyindaba eziphumile about this player. Kuneyindaba eziphumile about this player. Angazi noma ngasho ukuthi ama-fans e-Orlando Pirates angayithanda yini noma mhlambe le indaba ngeke ayithande. But ngokubona kwami, yebo, ngokubona kwami le indaba lezi zingaba mnandi but zingabheda. Yebo, kuyakabili. Kuya ngawo ukuthi uyithatha kanjani le indaba lezi. But kune club yase-Europe emfunayo uTito Maswanganyi. Kune club yase-Europe efuna uTito Maswanganyi. Vele le club le uTito Maswanganyi sekayidlalela before. Yebo, sekayidlalela le club before. I think it was back in 2019. Wasuka la ku-Stars of Africa. Wayojoyina le club le. Mwasathi ukubheka, yabo, i-history yakhe uTito Maswanganyi nale club le. Yabo, wasuka ku-Stars of Africa back in September 2019. Wajoyina le club le. Yase-Portugal le club le. Idlala ku-second division if I'm not mistaken. Ibizwa nge-Oliveirense. Ungangitshela ama-comments esi-pronounce kanjani. Mhlawumbe i-pronunciation yayo mina ngiyayibheda. Ungangitshela wona kuma-comments lapho ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe awuva nesports lo. So le club le wayijoyina ngo-2019 la, September 2019. Yabo, wasuka la eSouth Africa ku-Stars of Africa, washona le ePortugal. Wafika ePortugal, wafika wadlala unyaka owodwa. Ngo-2020 le club le yavela decide ukuthi ayimhambise kwi-free transfer, ajoyine i-Academica under 23. Wajoyina i-Academica under 23. Wasuka kwi-Academica under 23 ngo-2022. Shuthi wadlala 2 years le ePortugal nale club i-Academica. Wadlala 1 year ne-Oliveirense. Yebo. So wathi ngo-2022 wabuya weza la eSouth Africa, wajoyina iSuperSport United. Wadlala unyaka owodwa kuSuperSport United. Wajoyina Orlando Pirates ngo-2023, July 2023, July 1, 2023. Ilapho khona Orlando Pirates yamlanda khona. Yabona khona silikhona italente kulomfana lo. Yebo. So njobe sebuyile umfana edlala kamnandi la. Sina samthola ngo-2023, right now ngo-2025. uTito Maswanganyi usedlalele kamnandi ama-season ayi-2. uTito Maswanganyi usespende 2 seasons. 2 seasons or 1 season? Yeah, 1 season and a half because sizophela le season, yes. Yebo. Useswinile ama-MTN awu-2. I think nama-Nedbank Cups. No, usaswinele i-MTN eyodwa ne-Nedbank Cup eyodwa uTito. Angazi noma mhlawumbe mina ungasakhumbuli because yebo. Yeah, mabila ama-MTN. Yeah, mabila ama-MTN asawawinile uTito Maswanganyi for Orlando Pirates. So sengikhuluma kakhulu sengiyeqa le indaba lezi. So le indaba lezi kuthiwa news from Orlando Pirates indicates that the midfielder Patrick Tito Maswanganyi has renewed interest from his former club, Portuguese side UD Oliveirense. Comments. As previously reported by Soccer Laduma, the Portuguese club had already initiated contact with the Buccaneers recently. Yabo, umdlali vele naye sekwasho kwe-agent yakhe usufuna ukubuyela le. The latest development is that this club have now intensified its pursuit of the former Stars of Africa Academy graduates. Jobani Bonile wagraduate with Stars of Africa, currently in excellent form with Orlando Pirates. Insiders close to both the club and the player added that the UD Oliveirense are very keen to bring Maswanganyi back to Portugal, following Buck's estimation that his price tag is likely to be around 40 million. So his price tag yakhe around 40 million. Njengoba ngisho bafethu, angazi abantu abaningi bangayithatha kanjani le indaba lezi about uTito returning to Europe. But for me, ngokwami mina, le mali le inkulu for i-Orlando Pirates uthi ithenge noma ibaphi abadlali ebadingayo la ku-Betway Premiership. There are many of good players esingabathenga ku-Betway Premiership ngale mali. Jaden Rhodes, estimation yakhe 30 million. SuperSport, Cape Town City, ngeke kuthiwa ufuna umdayisa ngo-30 million. We can get to Jaden Rhodes ngaleyo mali. Mhlambe ngiyabheda ngingazi. Ngangitshela ama-comments ukuthi ngizizwa kanjani ngalo. Bathi lana, it's no longer about an inquiry, it's about negotiations now. They really want him back in Portugal. They are looking at the progress he has made, and they are happy to bring him back to Portugal. It will all depend on what Pirates are looking for or looking at, or if the club le afford le mali le ifuna Orlando Pirates. The only issue is that the only issue that is there is now the 40 million that the club has put on Maswanganyi's head. He's one of the best players now in the country, and if the club wants the amount, choose the club le mfunayo kumele iyikhiphe leyo mali. Isingisi bafethu sibuye sibaleke. Anginalo ulimi lwabelungu but ke akusenani. So Orlando Pirates njengoba ikhiphile le mali le 40 million, le club memfunayo impela uTito Maswanganyi kumele iyikhiphe leyo mali. I'm not saying uTito Maswanganyi should leave Orlando Pirates ngoba uyaboza. No, Tito Maswanganyi is one of our best players. I think we need the money. We do need the money. At the end of the day, ibhola business. Him going there would be good for him. Would I advertise phesheya Europe, and uyathanda umjito udlala eEurope. But ke sothini, I don't think uKhoza uzovela amyekela ahambe nje kalula kanjalo. uKhoza uzofuna ukuba sucker dry le team emfuna uTito Maswanganyi, and kumele benze sure ukuba ikhiphe imali, because we cannot lose umdlalo njengoTito Maswanganyi like that. And umjito yamvumela iminyaka bafethu, 26 years old, usengadlala, usana 4 years nje angawudlala le phesheya. 4 years mningi ngabe ibholini, nyaka yebhola imncane. So yena angazi, ngangitshela ama comments ukuthi nizizwa kanjani ngale ndaba le. Should Tito Maswanganyi consider going to Europe? Should Orlando Pirates sell the guy ngawo lo 40 million noma even more? Because baningi abadlali aba on form for Orlando Pirates. There are many European clubs looking to purchase Orlando Pirates players. Right now, isihlahla se-Orlando Pirates siney'thelo ey'ningi, senile. Isihlahla se-Orlando Pirates senile, meaning there are many fruits that are ripe in the tree of Orlando Pirates. Baningi abadlali kahle kahle, abantswempu lapha. Umdlalo njengomFukeng, umdlalo njengomBatha, umdlalo njengoSesana, umfana lo Tito Maswanganyi naye, bayadingeka le phesheya. So ngempela singeyisasi. Ungangitshela ama comments ukuthi nizizwa kanjani ngale indaba lezi. Ungakhohlwa usubscribe uVane Sports bafethu. Ngangitshela ngale ndaba lo mfana lo Tito Maswanganyi, should he leave Orlando Pirates ngalo 40 million lo abawudingayo?